students, today we are going to learn chapter 2 exercise. Your chapter title is Logical Thinking. In previous lecture, I already explained you the problem regarding the farmer and I already explained you the problem of farmer. Then today I explain you your exercise. So before starting your exercise, I just explain this main point of your chapter. So do you know students what is the logical thinking? So logical, it means apply your logic, and thinking means your idea. So here in this chapter you can apply your logic and solve the problem step by step. Okay, and there are some here there are some steps to apply the logical thinking. First of all, you select your task, then after you identify your goal, then after you collect and apply your logic information, then we collect our own ideas information, then after apply the condition. So this is the step of applying a logical thinking. I already explained you in your chapter. Now we are moving to our worksheet, means exercise. Question number 1. Arrange the letter of the words given below in the correct order to make meaningful words. It means here the word are describing jumble word and you can arrange this word in meaningful word, and then after you match the word with pictures. So here question 1, the jumble word KBOO. So here the meaningful word is book, BOOK. So here I match the book with these pictures. Now second the jumble was FITFIN. It means tiffin. So here I write the meaningful word tiffin and match his with his picture. Now the jumble word is gab, GAB. Now I arrange in the meaningful word. Here this picture, and from this picture I arrange this word BAG, bag, and you can also match this word with the picture. Now the fourth one is CIPENL. So in this picture this is a pencil. So here you write the meaningful word PENCIL, pencil, and you can match with the pencil. And here the pencil box are available, so you also match with pencil box. Fifth, BOX, and you also match this with box, pencil box. Now we move to our second question. Chiku the rabbit has to hop his way to find the carrots on the island. With each hop he crossed 5 tiles. It means every hop he crossed 5 tiles. So how many times will he have to hop to reach the carrots? It means the Chiku want to reach carrots, and every hop he cross 5 tiles. So how many tiles will he have to hop to reach the carrots. Your task is rabbit has to find the carrots. Here your goal is reach carrot on time. Which number is your carrot? In 25. Which number your carrot is? Carrot are available in 25 ties. So here your condition, hope of filling the blanks tiles. So here Chiku hop 5 tiles. How many tiles he hop? 5. Chiku hop here 5 tiles. How many tiles? 5 tiles. So third solution, rabbit hops on the tile 5. Then after he hop on the 5 tiles. 5. So 5, 10, 'So here your solution is rabbits hop on the tile 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So number of hops is equal to 5. And another way of solving, 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5 hops. Now question 3. Munmun the squirrel wants to eat the groundnuts. Help her to reach them. So here in the question 8, 5 and 3 we find the last number 5th. So here I am doing 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So we get our third value. Here we get our second value. And from 5 minus we can do 3. So here 2 is your fourth number value. Okay. So here your answer is 2. Here your answer is 2. So here this is the information you can write in your textbook. Here your goal is find the 5th number in the sequence. Second one, information. 4th number of a sequence in a descending order. And third condition, we observe that 12, I already explained you, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So here your reasoning, we subtract from first number and got second number. We subtract 3 from second number and we got our third number value. We subtract 2 from the third value and we got our fourth value is 3. We should subtract 1 from the third value and we got 2. So here our solution is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Can you help Jyoti to solve the following puzzles? Some figures are given below and observe them. And now match this up with their colors. So here you just apply your logic and you match with them. So here the rectangle shape's color is blue. So here in the first box, I found rectangle and matched with blue color. Which color? Blue color. Our second picture is oval shape. We find oval and match with a green color. Which color? Green color. And the third rectangle shape. So our rectangle shape is blue. Which color? Blue. So here we find rectangle. Sorry, our rectangle color is yellow. So we find rectangle and match with yellow color. At last, the polygon color is red into this picture. So you can match with red color. You can easily see, and here you solve to match this all shape with a color, and in this picture all the color and shape are unscribble. So you just see your first picture and match this second picture with your correct answer. You can write easily in your textbook. Here you observe the following figure. Filling the blanks and color the triangles in the grid below. The red triangle should be between yellow and green. So here your red triangle is between yellow and green. The first triangle is yellow color. Okay. So here your goal is color the triangles. क्या करना है? Color the triangles. And your information is your first triangle color is which color? Your first triangle? Our first triangle color is yellow. And the red triangle should between which color? It is between yellow and green. Sorry. Here you just correct your answer is green color. Okay. Which color? Green. Now third reasoning. So the third triangle is which color? Our third triangle? Blue. The second triangle is red, and the fourth triangle is green color. Now we move to our C point. Question C. Study the following figures and read the information given. The red square should come between the brown. The red square should come between the brown and yellow. It means here. And the blue square should be the first square in the grid. And the green square should be directly above the yellow square. So filling the blanks and color the squares in the grid that follow. So here your goal is color the square in the grid. And above I give this condition and you can write your answer from this condition. So here information. The blue square filling the blank square is the first square in the grid. So here your answer is blue square. Third question. Your condition. The right square come between which color? Yellow and green. Yellow and green. Now your reasoning and solution. The square in the second row are brown and red and yellow. The square next to blue is black in color. So here I fill this color and I apply the solution. You can write in your textbook. So this first grid is blue color, second one is black, third one is green, fourth one is brown, and fifth one is red, and sixth one is yellow. So students, here your condition is the red square should come between the brown and yellow. It means your red color should be come between brown and yellow. So here your solution is done. Then other condition is the blue square should be the first and the green square should be above the yellow square. It means the blue square is first come and the green color should be above the green color, above the yellow color. It means you put your green color above the yellow color. So here your solution are available. So you can write in your textbook. Third, 6. Minu will go hiking with her friends in 2 weeks. Today is January 3rd. What is the date on which Minu will go hiking? So filling the blanks to get the answer. So today is 3rd January. Which January? 3rd January. Here in this your question, your answer is available. Today is 3rd January. Minu will go hiking in 2 weeks. Here you show Minu will go hiking into 2 weeks with your friends. So here in this blanks you can write 2 weeks. So here your reasoning, 2 weeks means how many days? 14 days. 2 weeks means 14 days. So here your solution. So Minu go with her friends on the 3rd day and he hiking with her friends 2 weeks. It means 14 days. So here your solution 3 plus 14 is equal to 17. Okay students, I hope you all are easily understand this solution. Now we move to our next solution. Can you tell what comes next in the following pattern and circle the correct option? So here the first step is triangle. This is the triangle and this is the pentagon. So here you just count the sides of the figure. So this figure have 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. This one is 1, 2 and 3. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So do you know which will come next? So after 5 the 6 sides shapes are come. So this is your right answer. One side, second, third, 4 and 5. Sorry. I just repeat you. Okay. Here count the side of triangle. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. It means the both pictures have a 3 sides. And you count this picture side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here which one is come next? 5 side pictures, 5 side shape will come. But these sides, here you look it into this picture. The triangle shape is upside, and in this picture the triangle shape in downside. Here this polygon shape is downside triangle, and here in your answer this is in the upside. So this is your right answer. Okay, now we move to our next. First one is your square, second one is square and fill the color, and third one is square. So will come next triangle and fill the color. Okay, with filling the color your answer. So here you click on first answer. Now we move to our C. You just solve this problem with yourself. First one is circle, second one is half circle, third one is triangle. So which one will come next? Half triangle. Okay, so you write it this. Now the third, first shapes fill with black color, second one is blank, and third one is fill with color. And which will come next? These shapes without filling. You see in this picture, the first shape fill color, second one is empty. Here the first shape fill with color and second one is empty shape. So you can draw your answer without filling shape. Okay, now we move to our next point. Solve the given puzzle. Kartar, Seema and Rahul collect different items. One collects stamps and the other two collect pictures of insect and toy car. Rahul exchanges his car for insect picture. Seema doesn't like car but like getting letters. Kartra thinks insects are too small to worry about. What do Kartra, Seema and Rahu collect? So here your information is Rahu, Seema and Kartra are collectors. The three are the collectors. Second one, Rahul swap his car picture for insect picture. Third one is Seema doesn't like car but like getting letters. And Kartra think insects are too small to worry about. So you can write in your textbook. So here your reasoning part is by condition Rahu collect insect picture. Condition 2, Seema collect stamps. Why? Because Seema like letters. And since letters have stamps stuck on them. And the by condition 3, Kartra collects toy car picture because Kartra like the toy cars. And the last one, Amina, Manish and Jeet are different things for breakfast. One had sandwich and the other two had idli. One had sandwich and other had idli and apple. Amina liked to eat either an apple or sandwich for breakfast. It means Amina like only apple and sandwich. Only Manish and Jeet like idli for breakfast. Manish and Jeet like idli. Jeet did not have idli or sandwich for breakfast. Jeet don't get a idli and sandwich for breakfast. So here, what did each person have for a breakfast? So goal. Here your goal is find out who ate what for breakfast. Here your information is there are three items for breakfast: apple, idli, and sandwich. So there are three children: Amina, Manish, and Jeet. Jeet did not have idli or sandwich. So here your condition: Amina likes to eat either an apple or sandwich for breakfast. Manish and Jeet like idli for breakfast. Reasoning from the given information, Jeet at apple. Since Jeet at apple by condition, Amina at sandwich. From the above, we find the Manish is left. Hence, Manish at idli. So your problem is solved. Jeet at idli for breakfast. Amina ate sandwich for breakfast and Manish ate apple for breakfast. So here your chapter 2 exercise is finished. I hope you all are understand your worksheet and you all are writing your textbook. Thanks. Have a nice day. Those students don't have a textbook, so these students write, they all are writing your notebook. Thanks. Have a next day.